Did you know you can actually export and download your entire Claude conversation history? Whether you want to back up your chats, save important conversations, or just keep a record of your work, Claude lets you do it in just a few clicks. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's get into it. First things first, make sure you're on the Claude website at Claude.ai using your desktop or laptop browser. This will not work on the mobile app, so if you're on your phone right now, switch to your computer and come back. Now, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your initials or your profile icon right here. Click on that and a small menu will pop up. From the menu, click on Settings. This opens up your account settings where you can manage everything about your Claude account. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Privacy section and click on it. This is where Claude keeps all the options for managing your personal data. Now scroll down a little and you'll see the Export Data button right here. Go ahead and click it. And that's it. The export has been requested. Claude will now process your conversation history and send a download link straight to the email address connected to your account. This usually takes a little while to process, so don't worry if it doesn't arrive immediately. Now, go check the email address you used to sign up for Claude. You'll get an email from Anthropic with your download link inside. Once it arrives, click the link. But here's one important thing to remember. This link expires after 24 hours. So make sure you download it right away before the link stops working. Also, you need to be logged in to your Claude account when you click the link. Otherwise, it won't work. Once it downloads, open the zip file. Inside, you'll find your conversation data. This includes your full chat history and your account information. It comes in a JSON format, which is just a structured data file that stores all your conversations in one place. And that's your complete Claude data, saved and backed up. And that's the whole process. 5 simple steps to export your entire Claude conversation history. Just remember, desktop browser only, check your email for the link, and download it within 24 hours before it expires. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more Claude tutorials coming your way. See you in the next one.